Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with LabibulHaque. This is Labib's new car. Let me show you his wheels. He repainted them himself. You remember in the first videos? One thing, he looks really good. But yeah, you can see the blemishes. But that's because he didn't put filler in.
Yeah.
But he's still better than how he was. It looks alright now, innit?
I need to get the calipers done as well.
Oh shit. Has that fully come pulled off?
Yeah.
Your inner lining. Look.
About it.
It wasn't broken like that, was it?
Oh no, yeah, no, that one.
That bad?
Yeah, that one was broken.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we need to do the calipers. We're going to do my side there as well. Yeah. But yeah, he's doing a good job painting them. So he did that in one day. Did he take one day?
Yeah, like 2-3 hours.
Hey, you didn't do this side?
I did. Oh no, I did. I just scraped him again.
Again?
Again, yeah.
What the
Well, yeah, I did do that side.
And this one as well, you skipped a bit.
Yeah.
Oof. But yeah, that's the only thing with having a black wheels in it. They get scraped. You're gonna see them. Okay, guys, we're gonna show you how to change your wiper blades today. So we've gone and bought some new wiper blades. Do not buy them off Halfords. They're double the price on Halfords.
So
yes, this is one fly.
How easy it is
to take it off. Yes. Pull it up like this. Oh my!
Just like that.
What the hell? Not even a connect. What the hell? That's how it's connected.
Yes.
That's silly. That. I mean, that's good actually. It's never gonna fling off, is it? No chance of it. That's mental. Look how easy it is.
On one side.
Just pull it off. Literally pull it off.
Obviously, there's one short one and one.
Yeah, one's long, one's short. So the long one's on the outside.
Yeah, long one's on that side, short one's on that.
No, the long one's on this side. Yeah. Long there, short on this. And Labib's decided he doesn't want to keep his plate on anymore. So this is how he's going to be running it. Okay, he's got the two blades now. Ding a ding a ding a ding a ding.
Is it my way trade or is it? I don't think so, does it?
I think no, it can only go one way anyway. Yeah, because he's going to be facing that way or upwards that way, innit? Is that the short one? Yeah. Yeah. Literally just pop it in place. There you go. Simple as that, guys.
Yeah.
Brand new blade. Easy as that, guys. My flash on. My flash is shit, you know.
So those wondering for an Astra H, your measurements are 18 inch and 22 inch.
Yes.
So
these are Amazon, innit?
Yes.
Okay, we're getting the big one now. Bro, if all the headlight, if every single one was so easy, imagine our ones with clips and all that. This is so easy, and they're not gonna fling off, are they?
Exactly.
Like, when have you heard of a Astra fucking headlight flinging off the oh, do it. Is it? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Just like that.
Mashallah, just as simple as that, guys. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you not watched out the mirror replacement, go watch that video. And what's coming next, we'll let you know. We're thinking about getting what they call Labib, racing tags.
No, toe straps.
Toe strap. So it just hangs out there, red one. It's gonna be nice, innit? And bonnet vents.
Bonnet vents, yes.
Bonnet vents, hopefully. And yeah, there's a lot more to be done in this car, even though everyone has told us scrap this car, scrap the car. Because they all hate us. Alright, Labib.
Exactly, bro.
But watch.
Nobody wants to see us winning.
Yes, this car has been through surgery and survived. So, more videos to come.
He's stuck with me in my darkest times.
Darkest.
What's that like? Shadow light?
Shadow.
Yeah, car's called Shadow, by the way.
Shadow the Hedgehog. Shadow the Astra. Astra H, innit? Shadow the Astra.
Yeah, come on.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.